Fumble, I'm Crystal Marine. Rex Ryan's press conferences are always an entertaining delight. Whether he's pissed off after a loss, celebrating a victory, or preparing to face the best team in football. This week, Ryan is getting a lot of questions about his twin brother, Rob Ryan, after his firing as defensive coordinator of the Saints. The Bills are getting ready to face the Patriots on Monday night. So Rex was asked about his brother's relationship with Bill Belichick, who Rob once coached under. Rex feels he understands Belichick for twin reasons, but the Buffalo coach had a bit of a gaffe in his explanation.
Go and, hey, we're going to walk across it. Oh, shit, there's, excuse me. Shoot, there's somebody. Is that live?
Ryan recognized his FCC violation immediately. Rex was also asked about his obsession with the New England Patriots and delivered a priceless answer. I know you guys always say that I'm obsessed with them and all that, Rex told reporters. You guys are obsessed with them, not me. I want to beat them, but you guys are the ones who talk about them every single day. He has no sympathy for New England's injury issues.
First off, let me cry. Get rid of this because no team has injuries.
Rex has never been shy speaking his mind, but it's both his greatest strength and weakness. To see what Rob Gronkowski was like at 5 years old, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.